Question number 12. P and Q are 2 points. The coordinates of P are -1 and 6, and of Q are 5 and -4. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector of PQ. Let us imagine that P is this point, which is -1 and +6, and Q is this point 5 and -4. Okay, I'm just trying to imagine, and you can solve this question without even drawing it. Okay, so this is the line PQ. Okay, they ask you that we are trying to find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular, that means another line which is like this. That is perpendicular. That means there is a 90 degrees here. And bisector, that means it divides PQ into 2 equal parts. So this point here is a midpoint. Okay, we need to find the equation of this line. So first of all, it's easy to find the bisector or the midpoint. You just add the x coordinates to each other and divide by 2, and add the y coordinates to each other and divide by 2. Okay, let us start with the x coordinates. -1 plus 5 is +4. +4 divided by 2, the answer is 2. Okay, let us add the y coordinates together and divide by 2. 6 plus -4 is +2, and +2 divided by 2 is 1. So the midpoint is 2 and 1. Now we need to find this gradient. Okay, since we have a point, now you just need to find the gradient. How can you find the gradient of the red line? And it seems to be negative since the line inclines downward right. And the gradient of the red line here, difference in y over difference in x. Okay, let us find the gradient for the red line. Difference in y over the difference in x. Okay, the difference in y, I can do it outside, equals the difference in y, -4 minus 6, -4 minus 6, over the difference in x, which is 5 minus -1. 5 minus -1. -4 minus 6 is -10, over 5 minus -1 is 6. If you try to simplify, divide by 2 is -5, divide by 2 is 3. So the gradient of the red line is -5 over 3. So the gradient of the blue line will be, first you have to change the sign from negative into positive and switch it. 5 over 3, it will be 3 over 5. Now we have two things, the point and the gradient. To find the equation of the blue line, y minus y1 equals m bracket x minus x1. Y minus y1 and x1, y1 and x1 is the point where the line that you're asked to find the equation, this line passes through. This line passes through the point 2 and 1. So 2 is the x1 and 1 is the y1. So y minus y1 is 1 equals m, positive 3 over 5. X minus x1, what is it? It's 2. So now you can distribute y minus 1 equals 3 over 5 by x, 3 over 5x, and 3 over 5 by -2, it's -6 over 5. Actually, he wants you to write your answer in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0. So you have to bring all of them to one side and make sure that it's a 0 equation, and let us see what happens. Okay, I will try to bring this -1 to this side here, this -1, and I will bring the y also to this side. Okay, let us see how it looks. It looks like this. 0 equals 3 over 5 x minus y minus 6 over 5 plus 1. So 0 equals 3 over 5 x minus y minus 6 over 5 plus 1, -6 over 5 plus 1, the answer is negative 1 over 5. Negative 1 over 5. You can rewrite write it like this. Bring all this to this side. Just say 3 over 5 x minus y minus 1 over 5 equals 0. Okay, let us try to cancel these denominators. I don't like them. So how can I cancel this 5? I can multiply the numerator here by 5, here by 5, here by 5, and here by 5. That means you can multiply each term by 5. So it looks like this: 3 over 5x multiplied by 5 minus y multiplied by 5 minus 1 over 5 multiplied by 5 equals 0 by 5. So you can cancel these two together. What's remaining is 3x minus y by 5 is 5y. Then you will cancel this together. Minus 1 equals 0 by 5 is 0. And this is similar to ax plus by plus c equals 0. So the value of a is 3, the value of b is negative 5, the value of c is negative 1. And this is the answer. Thank you for watching.